Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to visit our video. Today, I'd like to share with you this item, artificial hollyhock. The flowering period is from February to August, and this item has special flowers and the petal is open naturally. As you can see, the flowers is growing in rows. It's like a relay race. Dense bloom sorts out the whole flower's branches. It's very gorgeous. And for this item, the total height is 97.5 centimeters. And for packing, this item is 6 pieces per box and 72 pieces each carton. For material, the petals is made of polyester and the flower stem is PE with iron wire inside. So you can adjust the flowers as you like. It's very easy to fold in and cut short. And for the flowers language is dream, positive. It's symbol of people's dedication to the dream. It can be as a gift to friends, college, and confidence. Wish each other can dreams come true. So for this item, do you like it?